Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best onion slicers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the stainless steel onion holder from Coupe. This is the budget option on our list, and it's perfect for those who need a simple and affordable solution for slicing onions and other vegetables. The design is straightforward, featuring sharp stainless steel tines that hold your onions securely in place while you slice. The extra-wide handle is made from durable plastic and ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. While this product doesn't offer advanced features, it excels in simplicity and ease of use. It's lightweight, dishwasher-safe, and even doubles as a meat tenderizer, making it surprisingly versatile for its price point. However, the build quality might not be as robust as higher-priced options, and it lacks any advanced slicing mechanisms or interchangeable blades. This makes it ideal for occasional use or for those who prefer a low-tech approach to food prep. Overall, the Coupe onion holder is great for anyone on a budget who wants a reliable, no-frills tool for slicing onions and other small vegetables. The pros include affordability, ease of use, and versatility, while the cons are its basic design and limited features. If you're just starting out or need an inexpensive backup tool, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the JVAR onion holder for slicing. This tool takes the basic functionality of onion holders and adds a touch of finesse with its well-thought-out ergonomic design. Its stainless steel tines are uniquely angled to ensure even slicing, and the comfortable grip handle prevents slippage, making it safer and easier to use. This slicer is not just limited to onions. It works well with tomatoes, eggs, avocados, and even meats, offering versatility for various kitchen tasks. One standout feature is its time-saving design. The JVAR onion holder ensures uniform slices without the hassle of uneven cuts, making food prep faster and more efficient. It's dishwasher safe, which is always a bonus for busy households. However, compared to higher-end slicers, it lacks advanced features like interchangeable blades or a container to catch slices. It's compact and lightweight, but at just under $9. It may not feel as premium as pricier models. That said, it's still a solid choice for those who want a dependable tool without breaking the bank. The JVAR onion holder is perfect for anyone who wants an affordable, yet reliable slicer that provides consistent slicing results. Pros include its ergonomic design, versatility, and ease of cleaning, while cons are its basic feature set and lack of premium materials. At number 3, we have the Yunhome Onion Slicer Pro. This mid-range slicer offers a great balance of functionality and design, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its standout feature is the secure grit mechanism, which firmly holds vegetables in place while slicing, reducing the risk of accidents. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and ease, allowing you to slice onions, tomatoes, and even meats with precision and minimal effort. Crafted from premium stainless steel, the Yunhome Onion Slicer Pro is built for durability and long-term use. The rust-resistant blades ensure consistent performance, and its lightweight design prevents hand fatigue during extended food prep sessions. Unlike simpler models, this slicer focuses on safety, making it an excellent choice for families or inexperienced cooks. It's also dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning, adding to its convenience. The Yunhome Onion Slicer Pro is ideal for those who want a reliable, safe, and durable slicer without stepping into premium price territory. Pros include its safety-focused design, ergonomic build, and durable materials, while cons are its slightly higher price compared to basic models and the lack of interchangeable blades for more advanced slicing needs. In second place, we have the OXO Good Grips handheld mandolin slicer. OXO is a trusted name in kitchen tools, and this mandolin slicer lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and innovation. It features adjustable settings for 3 slice thicknesses, allowing you to customize your cuts based on your dish. Its non-slip handle and foot ensure stability during use, and the slicer can be used directly over a plate, cutting board, or bowl for added convenience. One of the standout features is the window that lets you see the slices as they're being made. This ensures precision and helps you avoid overslicing. The stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, and the slicer is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. At just under $19, it offers excellent functionality without being overly expensive. However, it's not as versatile as some premium models, as it doesn't include interchangeable blades or additional features like a container for catching slices. The OXO Good Grips handheld mandolin slicer is perfect for home cooks who want consistent, precise slices with minimal effort. Its pros include adjustable thickness settings, durable build quality, and ease of use, while its cons are the lack of versatility and slightly higher price compared to simpler slicers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mueller vegetable chopper mandolin slicer. This premium option is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen gadget, combining multiple functionalities into one compact design. It comes with 9 interchangeable blades, including chopper blades, slicer blades, julienne blades, and even a dedicated cucumber slicer. The high-quality stainless steel blades provide quick and efficient chopping, slicing, and grating, making it perfect for everything from onions to cabbage. The integrated food container is a game changer, keeping your countertops clean and ensuring all slices are neatly collected. The Mueller slicer is dishwasher safe, and its compact design makes storage easy. While it's the most expensive slicer on our list, its unmatched quality and performance justify the price. It's ideal for busy households or anyone who wants to elevate their food prep game with professional-grade tools. The Mueller vegetable chopper mandolin slicer stands out with its versatility, durability, and innovative features. Pros include its multifunctionality, premium build quality, and ease of cleaning, while the only con is the higher price tag. If you're looking for the best of the best, this slicer is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.